people, welcome back to my channel. It's 5:30 a.m. and I'm going to my work. But before I go to my work, I need to do some practice. Let's go to my favorite place where I always go for the practice. It's a massive, big, empty parking place in front of some shops. So yeah, let's go. Here we go, traffic lights again. As you all know, I don't like the traffic lights. Come on, come on, come on! Oh, come on! Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. What happened? Okay, let me just remove it away before any car comes behind me. Yeah, he's looking at me. What am I doing, man? I don't know what happened to my bike. I will be running late to my work now. Right. Oh gosh, there is no power. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, please. I don't want to go back home. Come on. Come on. Oh yes. Yeah. Let's go, let's go. Why are you looking at me, man? Okay, come on, Basanti. Come on, let's go, let's go. Yeah, we are on our way. Let's go. Another traffic lights. I hate traffic lights. Wait for me. Wait for me. I'm coming. Wait for me. Oh, Uncle Police. I hope they won't come after me. Right, let me go. Wait. What are you doing here at 5:30 a.m., man? Hey. Okay, enough training. Let's head back to my work. Oh no, another traffic lights. Man, I hate traffic lights. The more I hear them, the more they come in my way. Right, come on, come on, come on. I'm getting slow. Come on. Oh, I guess I have to stop. Okay. Alright, I am stopped now. Well, on one way it is good because at the traffic lights I have to slow down, and that's my practice of riding and controlling it in a slow mode. Well, another traffic light ahead. Oh my god. Okay, I'm slowing down now, but the vehicle behind me is getting upset. I am slowing down. Okay, it's slow down now. Come on, let me go. Oh my god. Ah, what a disaster. Oh my god. Ah, it's gone red. Oh no. Never mind, practice makes you perfect. Well, have you realized one thing? That hardly there is any traffic. Yeah, few, one or two cars. Again the traffic lights. Thank you for turning green for me. And yeah, the traffic is hardly there. And the weather is good. Yeah, the weather is good. It's not very hot, not very cold. And this is how I like to ride my bike in empty road. Another traffic light. Oh no, let me go! Oof, that was close. There's so many traffic lights on this road. You realize, guys? Why? Every 2 seconds there is a traffic light. Now, I have to slow down again now. Come on, come on. Yes. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh my god, another traffic light. Let me go, please. And after this, another traffic light. Oh my god. Can somebody count for me how many traffic lights I have passed so far? And there will be plenty of them ahead. Come on, come on. Brilliant. Wow, what a beautiful bridge. This is the Tesco, the biggest supermarket. On my right hand side is the Queen Mare shopping center. And behind the Tesco, obviously, there is the bus stop and the train station. And I have another traffic light ahead me. Come on, I'm slowing down now. Please, please turn green. What does the red traffic light means? Stop, stop, stop. Okay, I am stopped now. Well, in a way, I think it's good for me. When I stop, I have to pick up the bike. So that's like a practice, how to stop and pick up the bike. On my right hand side is the observatory, the shopping mall, and another traffic light. Oh my god. And on my right hand side is the Royal Mail Center. It's the packet center where you collect your packets if you miss your delivery. And look at the weather and look at the view ahead. Oh my god, I love it. I love it. And I can see the moon. Oh yes, I can see the moon. Beautiful. That's why I come out of the house at this time, because there's less traffic. Oh my god, another traffic light. Come on, come on, come on, let's go, let's go, let's go. I must say one thing, that this bike is very smooth. I love riding it. And the way it runs, like, this is, I'm going on 30 miles per hour. And it's perfect, like 5.5 liter comes in like 6 pounds something. And I haven't checked yet how many miles it can do. So I will start recording them so I could see how far I could go. I'm going through Langley. What a beautiful view, look at that. My god. Okay, I'll go in the bus lane. Oh no, I'm in the wrong lane now. It turns to the left hand side. Ooh! Okay, Alright, let me just turn quickly to the right hand side. Nah, I knew it, he's not gonna give me the way. What does it mean when traffic light is green? Go, go, go. What does the red traffic light means? Stop, stop, stop. Okay, I am stopped now. And another traffic light in front of me. Wait, let me go, let me go. You know what? I'm planning to go on long journey with my bike and start camping, but that needs a proper planning because I will be doing all that first time in my life. So yeah, my future planning is to go on my bike and discover places. Hopefully, fingers crossed, it will happen soon. So if you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button, because very soon I'm gonna take my bike out for camping and exploring the UK. Come on, let's go. I hope I'm not running late to my work. And if anyone know why the bike was stalled and there was no power in it, please do let me know in the comments. And look at the view ahead. My god, I love it. I love these kind of views. I'm a very quiet person and I like to have very much of my privacy, and I like the places where not very crowded. So yeah, my work is here on this road, so I hope to see you soon again. And if you want to see me, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for me. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next time. Till next time, you look after yourself and I will look after for the traffic lights. Bye bye.